Hello friends! Today we are making a cute pinkish necklace to elevate our summer looks. I am obviously not using rare precious beads, it is just plastic. However, today I wanted to tackle the topic of pearls. Because yes, we know that they come from mollusks like oysters, but what is actually happening inside that shell to produce such jewels? Everything begins when the mollusk opens its shell to breathe or feed itself, and a foreign substance such as a grain of sand enters the shell and irritates the soft inner tissues. To protect itself from this intruder, the mollusk secretes layers of a substance called nacre, also known as mother of pearl, around it. It keeps secreting nacre in concentric layers that are about a micron thick for years, and what initially was an impurity eventually becomes a pearl. What is fabulous is that most of the time the pearl is perfectly round and smooth, and this is because the mollusk corrects irregularities as they appear by adjusting the thickness of each layer. If that is not the case, we call that a baroque pearl. I was also wondering how it was possible for pearls to have different colors, and there are actually different factors to be considered. First, it depends on the type of mollusk producing the pearl, whether it be an oyster, a mussel, etc. The environment in which the mollusks live is important as well. Water temperature, salinity, and nutrient quality all play a role. And finally, the nature of the mother of pearl and the way the different layers are put on top of each other influence the color the pearl will be. Throughout history, pearls have been cherished and used as priceless jewelry. For instance, in ancient Greece, they believed that pearls were the tears of the gods. It has also been rumored that Cleopatra, in order to demonstrate her wealth to her lover Mark Antony, dissolved a pearl in a glass of vinegar and drank it. Nowadays, this pearl would be worth about $37 million. These jewels were so precious that Julius Caesar even passed a law limiting the wearing of pearls only to the ruling classes. Nevertheless, as we kept collecting these beauties of nature, and because of climate change amongst other things, they have started to become so rare that it is believed that 90% of natural pearls on the market were harvested over 90 years ago. This is why, in the 1900s, Japanese Kokishi Mikimoto patented a method of pearl culture. Cultured pearls are formed in a similar way to the natural ones, but the initial intruder is actually deliberately placed inside the shell by a human. Well friends, that is all for today. I hope you liked the video. Don't forget to let me know if you decide to make a necklace as well, and I will see you very soon. Sweet kisses!